If you have ever felt overwhelmed, exhausted by stress, or unsure how to move forward in life, please know that you are not alone. Many women today are carrying enormous emotional, physical, and financial pressure. And for many, the path forward can feel unclear. Pure Haven was created to offer something different. Pure Haven is a safe educational space where women can rebuild their health, their confidence, and their independence. It is built on the understanding that true transformation happens step by step. When we begin to understand how our bodies work, how our nervous systems respond to stress, and how our thoughts, emotions, and physical well being are all deeply connected. Pure Haven provides the tools and the guidance to help women rediscover their strength. At the heart of Pure Haven is a 12-month transformation journey. Each module builds on the previous one. We begin by understanding the foundations of the human body, how the brain and the gut communicate, how minerals support the body, and how stress affects our health. From there, the journey moves into identity healing, emotional awareness, and energy education. Students learn how the subconscious mind works, how the nervous system can be reset, and how emotional patterns stored in the body can begin to release. Over time, the journey helps women move from survival and stress toward clarity, confidence, and personal empowerment. But Pure Haven is more than just a course. It is an ecosystem designed to support healing, learning, and independence. The first part of this ecosystem is the Pure Haven Transformation course, guiding students through body awareness, emotional healing, and personal development. The second part introduces frequency-based health technologies, which explore how energy and resonance can support the body's natural systems. The third part is the Pure Haven community. This is a place where women can connect, learn together, and support one another on their personal journeys. And the fourth part is economic empowerment. Students who wish to do so may choose to become affiliates, sharing the course with others and earning commission for referrals. This allows women not only to heal and grow, but also to create opportunities for financial independence while helping others begin their journey. Pure Haven also recognizes that many women in South Africa are facing extremely difficult situations, including emotional abuse, financial abuse, and domestic violence. For this reason, the platform includes resources and guidance designed to help women understand their rights, access support services, and begin rebuilding their lives. Knowledge can be a powerful first step towards safety and independence. Pure Haven is ultimately about transformation. It is about helping women move from stress to strength, from confusion to clarity, and from survival to sovereignty. Through education, practical tools, community support, and personal empowerment, Pure Haven offers a pathway for women to rediscover their value and move forward with confidence. Welcome to the Pure Haven journey.